Now I'm going to show you how to connect torque angle transducer and load cell to MC950. In this picture, what you see is the torque angle plus ultrasonic transducer, which is connected through this 10 pin connectors to MC950. These are twist and lock type connectors. Um, this is all you have to do to connect the torque angle to the MC950. We normally connect to channel 1 because that's how the labels are denoted in the MC911 software. You can hook up to any of these channels, but we normally connect it to channel 1. In this picture, you see load cell is connected to channel 2. This goes through the same connector, which only engages the string gauge part of it. There is no angle signal in this cable, but it's okay. It has the string gauge part of it. So this is how you connect the load cell to the MC950 on channel number 2. To put them all together, we have a fixture which we can use with load cell and torque angle transducer. It makes it easier for us for demonstration of the purpose and of using the torque angle and load cell all together. Notice that MC950 is connected through the USB cable to USB cable out to USB port of the computer. Also, AC power is connected to the system and light is on, means it's working. For using load cell, we also need plates. These are M10 plates and bushings. The head part goes to the plate, and bushing and nut part goes into the bushing. Nut part slides, fits in this section, so it stops it from rotating. We also use a square washer in this section to save the plate from wearing off. Also, it gives you the constant friction surface between the bolt and the surface of this square washer. Instead of square washer, you can also use a block that goes inside here, and you can slide the block back and forth. That block usually has number of holes in it, so you can use holes and reuse the block and over again. And here we assemble the load cell under this fixture. All it needs only 2 bolts. The plate is also attached to the load cell. Each bolt size needs a plate set, which is plate and the bushing, just to control the diameter of it, so it would be right in the center of the load cell. This shows the other side where you install the bushing. All you need is one screw to hold it in place. Here is showing the square washer, which is placed in this groove, and the bolt. Also, nut goes on the other side and fits into this space. Also, we are installing the torque angle transducer in this area, so it holds it nice and tight. Now, then we engage the torque angle transducer with the which includes the socket with the bolt. They're all now connected through the cables to MC950. This is torque and angle, which corresponds to this unit, and load cell, which corresponds to this unit. Now they're all engaged together, and they're ready to go. Here we add the wrench, so we can apply some torque to the bolt to develop some load into this bolt. Also, we are generating some torque. We are going to be using the same fixture in the future for calibration of ultrasonic bolts. But in this section, I'm just only explaining how to use the torque and angle, and load cell all together.